Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Jamie Lannister. Jamie Lannister. J. Me. Lannister. Jamie Lannister. Jamie Lannister is known as the Kingslayer for his controversial act of killing King Aerys II during Robert's Rebellion. His path from a proud knight to a more reflective and redeemed figure adds rich layers to the series' intricate storylines and moral conflicts. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Jamie Lannister, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.